1 pound of butter, 4 sticks, and I've got a bag of these buttermilk biscuits. Just be really careful because these are really cold going into really hot butter. Ooh. Make sure you don't touch any of these with your hands. Ooh, because if it splashes, that is painful. Do 2 more. I'm gonna move these over. Pop another one. Ooh. 2 and 3. And this is gonna go into a 375-degree oven for about 25 minutes. While that's baking, we're gonna do a quick 2-ingredient jam and 1 can of apple pie filling. Turn the heat to medium and just start breaking down those apples with your spatula and mixing it in with the cranberry sauce. This is such a quick 2-ingredient jam. It's like apple cranberry. It's like perfect for the season. It is so yummy, guys. I make this all the time. If you want, you can go ahead and cut up these apples before you put them in the pot with like a knife or a pair of scissors. But to be honest, I think this is a great way to get out some frustrations, some aggravations. Holidays can be a little stressful in the kitchen. And then for a finishing touch, I like adding just a little bit of apple pie spice just to kind of bump up that spicy flavor of the holidays. We're gonna go ahead and pour some of this jam into a bowl. It's also great for gift giving. Go ahead and put some in a jar. Put a lid on this. You can give this away to friends. Take a look at these biscuits. They've been going for 25 minutes. They've soaked up pretty much all that butter. Go ahead and take one of these biscuits out. Oh wow, they are so soft, guys. Go ahead and cut into this biscuit. Oh wow, it is so fluffy, guys. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna get a little bit of this jam, this cranberry apple jam. Put that right on there. Oh, that is so good. Butter swim biscuits with a cranberry apple pie jam. You need to make this. It is so, so good.